Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm basically going to be sharing my weekly outlook for this week, and let's just get into it. So the first thing I actually do, mark out my high and low of the week. And how do I do that? I simply just come to the 4 hours time frame and just mark out the highest point of the first 4 hours candle to form for the week. And how do I know that? I first of all toggle on my session break, toggle it on, press OK. Then it gives us this black dotted line just to be able to signify that this is a new day, this is a new day. For example, this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, and today, of course, is Monday. So this is the high and the low of the first 4 hours count to four. This is the high of the week, and this is the low of the week. And how do I know, or how do I determine my directional bias for the week? I determine that by first candle to actually break above for Wednesday. High and low of the week. And of course, this week I was actually anticipating much of buyer presence. And as you can see, even this week is actually just manipulations to actually clear out sell some stop losses around here for the buy continuation. I've been seeing that since uh the move actually started. So let me just show you something. One of the reasons I actually said I was expecting a buyer much more buys this week was because we have a trend from the 4 hours time frame, and we have the first touch, the second touch, and I was expecting the third touch to actually come to give an impulsive move to the upside, and that was actually exactly what happened. Price opened and market open actually rather, and price actually came tested the trend line and gave a bullish confirmation that there is actually presence of buyers in the market. So we can see exhaustions, weak exhaustions from this rectangle that actually drew here. Let me lock this and do the same for this. All right, so you can see weak exhaustions around this box that actually drew this one. Control Z. So you can see weak exhaustion. So I don't trade on Mondays. That was I didn't actually trade this at all. But if I would have traded it, I would just go to the 15 minutes time frame and actually just watch out for price action. And what is the price action I'm going to be looking out for? I'm going to be looking out for a W pattern, and that was exactly what he actually printed. So let me show you that, and I just wrap up this. All right. So we had, oh, sorry, we had this corrective move to this downside. We have an impulsive move, we have a correctional move, which marks the second leg of the W pattern, and of course we had the move to the upside. Okay, sorry, let me just delete this and do that again. All right, so we had this to the downside, impulsive, correctional, and this correctional was what created this impulsive. So how would I have treated this? I would just delete this as well. Just upon the break of this recent high that was created here. Okay. Upon the break of this high, I would have entered for a buy. So I will just wait for this candlestick, this bullish candlestick to actually close above it, and I would have just entered for a 1 to 2 trade. Then upon the close, that was when I'm going to be entering, and my stop loss will just be below, a little bit below the recent low, this one that was created here. Then I would love to just go for 1 to 2, and that would have been taken. That would have been a smooth trade today. But rules followed, no regret at all. I don't trade on Mondays, and that's it. So tomorrow I will be coming to the chat and just look at and just watch out for what price is going to be doing, and I'll be taking action off of that. So overall, my directional bias for this week is actually going to be on the buyer side of things, and that's going to be for now. Do well to subscribe to the channel. I drop my weekly outlook every Tuesday 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out of this. So I'll be dropping a video as well on Saturday, just to cover the trades I took during the week. So do it to stay connected. I'm Olaite Samuel. I forgot I didn't introduce myself. I'm Olaite Samuel. I'm a financial analyst and a forex trader. just to make things clear. All right, so thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and see you in the next one.